English second number lesson, My Early Home, page number 23.
Next part is life skill activity. In the life skill activity, sympathy and empathy interpersonal skill that we are going to learn. When we feel sorry for others, we can do it in two ways. If you want to say sorry to other, we can use two ways. First one is sympathy and second one is empathy. So what is difference between sympathy and empathy? First we are going to learn. Feeling sad or sorry for the suffering of another person, that is sympathy. Empathy means trying to understand another person's experience or feelings by placing yourself in his or her position. That is meant by empathy. Means in the sympathy we are just feeling sad and saying sorry for that person, and we know that person is suffering. That is called sympathy. So empathy means you are thinking in the place of that person, you should be there, and then you are feeling that person's pain. That is called empathy. Let us know next. Anya fell down and wounded herself badly. She met her friend Rajesh. Look at the two ways in which he can respond. So that Rajesh was Anya's friend, and Anya fell down and she goes to her friend Rajesh. Now Rajesh wants to feel by the sympathy and empathy, and he wants to express his feeling by the sympathy or empathy. So first we are going to learn about how he is feeling himself by the sympathy. So sorry Anya, it must be extremely painful. You fall down and you are feeling much pain. You just want to say, please take care of yourself. Did you go to doctor? Just ask by the sympathy. Now he's asking by the empathy how he want to ask. I know how it hurts because I had a fall too last month. Here Rajesh said, I know how hurt because I had a fall to last month. I was fall in the last month, the same place. So I know how the hurt or what is your pain. You just say to her, please take care of yourself. Did you go to a doctor? So like that feelings means I also feel same like you. That is called empathy. That expression you want to say. So here it must be extremely painful. That part is telling us sympathy, and this I know how it hurts because I had a fall to last month. It is showing empathy. Means I also fall like you. I know what is the pain about it. So that is saying means empathy. So look at this situation and express sympathy or empathy as directed. So downside there is given two examples. One you want to express by the sympathy and one you want to express by the empathy. First one, your friend's basketball team lost the final match. So your friend's basketball team was lost final match. So you want to say by the sympathy. How you are expressing your view. Oh, so sorry, my friend. You lost the final match and it is really very bad. So it is called a sympathy. By that you are express your feelings by the sympathy. Now empathy. Your sister is punished by her teacher for not doing her homework. So your sister, she got punishment by the teacher. So here you want to express your feeling by empathy. So how you want to say? So you want to say, oh, that teacher, she has punished me also at the last week when I did not do my homework, but afterwards I had complete my homework, then she given me a good remark and she did not even beat me again. So like that you want to express as a empathy. Means suppose you are the as exactly place of the person who is in trouble. So like that you want to express your feelings. You can use your other feelings also here by sympathy and empathy both. So here our second number lesson, my early homes, all the grammar part, writing part is over. So next video we are going to learn next poem. So thank you. Have a nice day.